once you have followed our instructions and properly formatted your USB or your SD card, you're going to want to come to your machine and open it up to find those ports. And right behind the screen up top is your SD card port, and below it on the right is going to be your USB port. So we'll get our USB plugged in right now. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and log into our operator functions from here.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.